Body temperature and its measurement. Under various environmental temperatures, the temperature of different parts of the human body is not entirely uniform. However, the temperature of the core areas, such as the brain and trunk, can remain relatively stable. Therefore, when studying body temperature, the human body is typically divided into two parts, the core and the shell. The temperature of the core part is called the core temperature. The temperature of the shell part is called the shell temperature. Shell temperature is generally lower than core temperature. Core temperature is relatively stable, with small differences between various parts. 38 degrees C. Among them, the liver and brain have high metabolic rates and are the hottest organs in the body, about 38 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the rectum is lower, about 37.5 degrees Celsius. Because the organs in the core part of the body exchange heat through blood circulation, their temperatures tend to be consistent. Therefore, the blood temperature in the core part can represent the average core temperature. The term body temperature in physiology or clinical medicine usually refers to the average temperature of the body's core part. Body temperature measurement. Core temperature is not easy to measure directly. Clinically, temperatures from sites like the rectum, mouth, and axilla, armpit, are commonly used to represent core temperature. The normal value for rectal temperature is 36.9 to 37.9 degrees Celsius. During measurement, the thermometer should be inserted more than 6 centimeters into the rectum to be relatively close to the core temperature. The normal value for oral temperature is 36.7 to 37.7 degrees Celsius. During measurement, the thermometer is placed under the tongue. Oral temperature is easily affected by factors such as mouth breathing and the temperature of ingested food or drink. Care should be taken to avoid these interfering factors during measurement. The normal value for axillary temperature is 36.0 to 37.4 degrees Celsius. During measurement, ensure the subject keeps the upper arm close to the chest wall, closing the armpit to form an artificial cavity. Axillary temperature measurement needs to last for 5 to 10 minutes. Attention should also be paid to keeping the armpit dry. Rectal temperature is closer to the deep body temperature but is less convenient to measure. Measuring oral and axillary temperatures is convenient and practical, and is widely used both clinically and in daily life. Furthermore, tympanic membrane temperature is very close to hypothalamic temperature. Tympanic membrane temperature can reflect the temperature of the brain tissue. Currently, tympanic membrane temperature is often used clinically to assess body temperature. Do you know how to measure body temperature now? What kind of thermometer do you have at home? That's all for today's lesson. Thank you, everyone.